What's up, everyone? So, guess what? Where we are? So, we're on SMC side. So, it's SMC side is the biggest mall in Cebu. Biggest. There's heaps of mall around in Cebu, but this is the biggest one. This is closer near the beach and the sea. So, at the moment, we went inside to the other side. So, I wasn't sure if I'm allowed to vlog here, but I wasn't. So now I'm not using a tripod. I just holding it on my hands just in case if I have to hide it. And I didn't put my microphone in, so hopefully you guys can hear me properly. So if not, I'm gonna have to do another take too. But we'll be okay. So we're just gonna go around, walk around. So we'll see there's a Burger King down here, and there's a lot of foods. And we got a lot of lantern down here. Look at the lantern, because I think yesterday was a Chinese New Year. So now we're just gonna have to look around. So we're gonna check. It's not that too busy yet. It's not too many people yet. So we're gonna see how is it gone. So because when we went to that entrance down there, it was quiet, really quiet. But I think now it's starting to get packed on that side. So I'll show you. So that way it's gonna get too packed. So So just look around with these flowers and teddy bears. I think I'm not sure who's gonna buy me or I'm gonna buy one. But nah, I'm just kidding.
That was legit, man. Yeah.
Keep walking. So we're looking for like that one. We're looking at that one to rent. Because apparently you can rent one here that you can just zoom around. So me and my cousin is gonna go and have a look. So we're gonna see how we're going. So I'll see you soon. Bye. So now guys, we just went to we took some money out in the ATM. So we're just gonna walk around to find something to eat. And also I'm gonna find a sticker maker, so I can put some stickers in it. So for the channel, so when everyone's asking me what's my YouTube channel, so I can hand it that stickers. So it's easy. So I don't have to tell them what sort of, so they can just hand that sticker. So I'm just gonna have something to eat first, and then we'll see what can we do. Just enjoy the ride. Thank you. See you in a minute. Filipino group called Bini. So that's what it's just like the same as K-pop, or they call that P-pop here. So Filipino something I don't really know. So so just have a look around and get something to eat. So all right. Foods. So yeah, so I asked them, they don't have anything here, so we're just gonna have a look around. So someone's just using the restroom there, so we just have a look around and see if we can find it, because we still have too many things to do today. So we just look around, see something to eat. I think we might have to eat some chowking, because I haven't eaten chowking yet. So I had Jollibee, and I have mang inasal, and I have some lechon. So I had ticked that on my bucket list. So now I'm gonna have to try to get chowking. So these are foods that I want to try it too. So yeah. So hopefully it's that way. So it's not far away to walk, because we still got about 2, 3, I think about 4 floors to go. And it's a big shopping center. It's a big, because it's, as I said, it's the biggest shopping center in Cebu City. So we just have a look. There's a lot there's a lot. There's a lot of things to have a look around here. So, and then what's time now? So it's 3:24. So I'll see you soon. I'll see you in a minute. Bye.
Oh my God!
I didn't have a train here. So I'm gonna get a ride on that one. So yeah, so just go here to have fun, alright? So see what's this bowl can offer. It looks pretty promising, so check it out. Yeah. Here's the steam choo-choo train coming, and we'll see it. So I think you can, yeah, you can just jump in there and get a ride. So I think it's for the kids. So it's only happened in the Philippines. So what can you say? Yeah, it's only happened in the Philippines. Philippine Mall. It's unique. So you can't see that on Australia. I haven't seen that on Australia. So it's Australia's shopping center. It's pretty simple. Down here in the Philippines, its base is unique. It's a lot. It's creatable. They create stuff that they attract tourists to, like, you know, because it's a booming country, and then all their focus is it's attracting tourists. I know Philippines got a lot to offer in the world. So, and they will expand, and they'll be a good, nice country in the world. So check it out.
朝目覚めて今日はシャキね鏡の前ではシャドウウェイピンクのセカットとそれともデニム選べないよ
So now I'm gonna have to ask to get a help here because it's a big mall. So I'm gonna check it out. I think that's self desk that you can ask questions. So this is Jollibee. This is my mic. How you going, mate? Yeah. So Jollibee, I don't know. We're gonna have to try chowking because well, we eat Jollibee before, and I don't know about that eating that again. So yeah, chowking. So I like super chowking food. Ah, here we go. We found it. So that's our friend Mr. Chowking. So, and that's the one. I'll show you in a minute. I was still looking for that printing press. I can't find it. Oh, that's not it. So yeah, so this is gonna try today. That one, Chowking. So I think they are celebrating a Chinese New Year's Day. So do we have it? Yep. Same thing. So we have to do that menu. The menu. Oh, menu. Okay. Yeah. So it's like more like self-serve. You have to order it and then you give they pay it and then you have to give the receipts down there. So I think it's easier. It's quicker too. So I'll see you in a minute. I'm gonna order it. Bye. Chunky or chicken. I think it's two, the same one. So two. I think that's what. Yep. Then we go checkout. We do key in number. What number? Ah, okay. See that? Really fancy, huh? You have to get that number. Then I'm gonna do cash. Cash. Yeah. Yeah. Is that right? Yeah. So you don't. Okay, right. So you don't have to get the receipt. So yeah, check it out. That's right. Thanks. Large Coke. So yeah, that's the one there. So that's Chowking. So we had some shore power in it, so it's cost around $300. So now I'm gonna try that out, and how good is it? Wait. But the real one is always you pay for the brand. And if you can find one, it's the same thing. Why would you pay that? Pay for the brand, so you can get the same one. So same thing with this, you know. So might as well see you in the mall. We just eat this and we enjoy the pineapple drinks and go down pretty quick. So yeah, good, very good. Yeah. But I don't know if I can do mukbang. Don't think so. Yeah, you're gonna get tummy ache. So, alright, I'm gonna just finish this and I'll get back to you. Bye. Now ride's here, so we're going up. So we'll just get back to you in a minute. Bye. Hello guys. You're probably wondering what I have in Moscow. Okay, you know, yobo. Kanya gabi wala ko gilantan, wala ko nakipiber ba. Yung itong nakuhaan ko, nagpalit ko kuhaan, cough syrup. Kanya gihimuan ko kanang limonchito o kanang honey. It help a little bit because katong nangadto mi sa tops ato nagkuhaan, nag-travel mi nga to. Nating nakuhaan man siguro kanang mo init ba, kanang init ngayon malarad ko lang katugnaw nga init again, mo drop ang temperature ba, mao na siyang kabadi sa imong kuan, makon jud kana murag mapas mo o unsa ba na murag mahilantan jud ka kay ang temperature man gud ngari init nya mo anak sa kanang sakyanan nga perting kasugang aircon nya plus mga kuan pa mga apog. So mao to nagmasal lang ko kay guys, but it's hard to mag-wear kag mask kay dili ko karang ginawa. Yeah, lisod kay ginawa, lisod. So ako na tangon nga muupo gani kay kung kanang bisbisan niyo kay dili mo ka makahatag sa lain niya unsa niyo mo nakuha. So manang karon mga tumi sa Talamban mag-print ako magkuha ko kanang print sa akong channel anang sticker around kay kung lang ganang naay mga hayo kuandra ihatag lang na siya ba sa makaibaw sa channel instead imo sang ingon ang nindot sa dang sticker sad kay maputang sa nila sa gasa. So man mga to Mr. Lamban mag-comic sticker nga to. So hopefully okay abi quick ka niya to mi sa SM wala man may comment ng himo. So mo tong nakita ang gabi nga na manghimo sa Talamban yung automato ng Mr. Talamban. So bubalik ko nimo magkita lang ta kay magsakay pa mig sakinan. So I will see you soon. Bye.